First, go to the Google Chrome, then search Google AdSense, then magdadirect na po sa home natin. Then, click home, then select payments, then nakikita nyo po naka-highlight, i-click nyo lang po yan. Then, pag-click nyo po, may naka-highlight ulit, click nyo po yan, United States Tax Info, then enter your PIN. Kita nyo po ang United States Tax Info, then may mga question po. So, click individual. Then, are you a citizen? Click no. Then, next. Then, select W8BN. Then, nasa W8BN tax form na po tayo. So, name of the individual. Then, country of citizenship, Philippines. Then, foreign TIN, the tax number nyo po sa Pinas. Then, click next. Then, lalabas po yung address line 1 and address line 2. So, i-click lang po yung small box. Then, ilalagay po yung address line 1. Then, address line 2. Then, your city. Then, yung postal code po yung place nyo. Then, province. I-click lang po yung mailing address is same as permanent residence. I-click lang po yung small box. Then, click next. After sa next, may makita po kayong withholding under a tax treaty. So, click yes. Then, click the small box. Then, country Philippines. Then, select service Adsense. Then, may article and paragraph. I-click lang po yun. Then, withholding tax. I-choose nyo po yung 0% reduce rate. Then, then the motion, picture, and YouTube. Click lang din po yun. Then, select withholding tax 15% reduce rate. Then, sa other copyright, YouTube, Google Play. Click lang po yun. Then, click yung article and paragraph, the withholding tax 15% reduce rate. Kayong small box, i-check lang po. Then, next. Ito na po yung hitsura pag after sa next. So, i-click lang po yung I confirm that I receive. Check lang po. Then, your signature, your full legal name. Ilalagay po nyo full legal name. After that, are you the person listed in the signature action? So, yes, I am. So, i-click lang po yun, yes, I am. Then, click next po. Then, after sa next, makikita po kayong yes, no. So, has the individual or entity. So, click yes lang po. Then, below, are you providing tax info? So, i-click lang po, I am providing tax info for an existing payments. Yan, click lang po yan. And after that, so, may maliit na box, i-click po din yan. Yan, provided below from January 1, 2020. Click lang po yan. After po, so, i-click nyo po yung January 1, 2020. Then, submit. Then, after sa submit, ma-approve na po yung United States Tax Info. At si Adsense po, mag-email na po sa inyo na has been approved. Your tax information has been approved. So, thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!